Okay, let's get started. So the first question is, I logged in for the very first time to Bodygraph Chart, and there are a lot of things there. I'm very overwhelmed. What should be the first step to start and get the most value out of Bodygraph Chart?
Okay, so the first most important thing once you first time logged into Bodygraph Chart as the first time is the integrate chart. Integrate chart is generating the embed codes where you can copy and paste into your website. It's very simple. Just copy that code and pasting in your website. So this is if you have the website, yeah. So to get the fast value, you need to start collecting the emails. This means if somebody is generating chart on your website, you want to capture the email. So this means this is how you can start building your customer base who's interested in human design or interested in your, services. So number one, using the integrate chart, using the embed code. Number two, go to my apps and integrating the newsletter. Okay, we have a list of the newsletters. Just with a couple clicks, you can easily to integrate. Once you're integrating that newsletter, you go back to embed code and then selecting the my apps settings and it's just activating. Most important part, you have to display the email field. Once it's done, click save. And this is how it's gonna look like. You see the email field. So this is the most important part, how we can start and get the quickest value from the Bodygraph chart.
Okay, and then it's a related question. What if I do not have website yet?
If you don't have any website to start, for this purpose, we have developed my business website. We're calling my business website for a reason that we have optimized e-commerce experience for the mobile and desktop, so we can easy to sell human design reading reports. So I'm just gonna load some demo. How it works? You click on that menu. You have to accept terms and conditions. It's very simple. And then just gonna be install button. You click install button, and then maybe gonna take about 2 minutes, and that's it. And we have all the videos on YouTube, how to step by step how to set up all this website. The website looks very simple. By default, you will have logo for the Bodygraph chart. By default, you will have all Bodygraph chart colors, but you will be able to change in very, very easy. Colors, fonts, logo, and pictures, and of course the content. The website is designed in a very easy way. This is the home page where you generate new leads about you, about service that you're providing, create chart landing page where you can just copy and paste that URL and share and just add them in social media profile. Shop, this is where you can sell your human design reading reports, and of course blog and contacts.
Okay, and do I need to install business website to be able to use Bodygraph chat features? Or I can use Bodygraph chat features when I have already already my website on the other platform?
So you don't have to install this website to have all these features that we're offering. Once again, we have this website just to improve selling experience for human design reading reports, because this is based and developed in the WooCommerce, where you can integrate different payment options, currencies, and it's very smooth for your customer. They can have their own account anytime they can log in and then see what they purchases. And if you then install this website, you can continue using everything what we're offering.
Okay. Next question is about languages. So it says, can I upload my own human design language? I use specific language and tone of the voice so my audience can understand the human design meanings better.
So yes, so by default, you will see some languages is here once you click my human design content. So if you don't see any language, in this list, if you just logged in, maybe visit Marketplace. In that Marketplace, you will see some more languages here where you can install. So once you install some default language, let's say French as an example, okay, so now if you want to use your own meanings and translate, there's two ways to do. You click on that language, and then this is all translations. As an example, if you click on type, you see five types, click edit button and editing that, meaning or putting some descriptions. This is very, very slow process to do that. So for this reason, we have developed export functionality. So you picking your language, let's say French, click the three dots and click the export. When you're exporting, it will be exported to a spreadsheet. I hope you're gonna be able to open. Give me a second. Okay, so you're gonna export to the spreadsheet, and in the spreadsheet on the left hand side you see original default language, and on the right hand side you just put in some writing down your meanings, and then once you're done, click the save button, and then you click just import the button and import that spreadsheet, and then it spares your unique language. So this is a very quick way using that export and import functionality. We have very detailed video on YouTube as well.
Okay. And why some of the languages don't have detailed descriptions?
Yes, as an example, French doesn't have, Dutch maybe doesn't have. We have, I think, if not mistaken, we have only English language, and the reason is behind because we're looking for experts to help us to do this one, because we're looking for good experts that is valid language. So we're not. We haven't focused very much in that content. The reason is why, because this tool is only for your custom things, to make sure you're using your own voice for your own audience and you're putting your own content. So, but doesn't mean that we're not gonna provide descriptions more in the future. So we're gonna write them, but we're looking for the right people to help us to deliver this one.
I will add to this question, can I use descriptions available at English language and translate them and use on a different language? Can I use the content from the English language?
Yes, you can export, let's say export it English. Once again, you're going to see that in spreadsheet. It's very, very simple to use, and just replace that to your own language.
Brilliant. Am I allowed to use the content I see inside the Bodygraph Chart, including the language and reading report templates? Am I allowed to offer them for free for my customers or sell them?
Yes, everything what you see in the Bodygraph Chart, all the content is free. You can free use. I mean, feel free. That's why we hiring some experts. They're helping us to provide the content. We're working with, as an example, with Karen as well. She's helping us to provide some reports. And everything when you see, you can use it. Let's say if you go to Marketplace, and now you're gonna find some reports. This is the reading reports on the bottom. You can download them. So you can install them, and it will appear on your account. All the languages are exactly the same. You click on any language, install them. It will appear on your account. You can, and yeah, you can use it.
Okay. And I want to add more details to a downloadable PDF page using shortcuts. How should I do this?
So yeah, so if you want a customer to download PDF and add some more information using the shortcodes, the best way to do is if you go to the reading reports and then you click create new and just write, let's say, 1-page PDF as an example. You pick your language, you then pick your page format, and then let's say, okay, I'm gonna just write, I'm gonna use the template for now, just as an example. And so I just pick some template. If you need some to change, let me just zoom in a little bit. I can go to the text, and then this is how you can build using the shortcodes. Like, okay, this is just an example of what I'm doing now. You can use this, whatever you need. You can create multiple page, downloadable PDF. Okay, as example, I can put chart maybe. I just remove this chart, using maybe this one as an example. So you can design your PDF as you want using this report tool, using these shortcodes. Once it's done, this is your name, one page PDF. I think I created multiple. It looks like, okay. Then you're going to integrate chart. You're going to your embed code. Then you're clicking download chart as PDF, enable, and then it says visitors can free download, and then you're clicking selecting that one page PDF. It will pick from that reading report that you have created, and then click save. So this is how you can customize or improve that one page PDF report.
Okay, and continuing about these PDF files, can I change the font on the original one-page PDF?
To change the font, okay, so if there's an original PDF and you want to just to change the font, you go to integrate chart, selecting your embed code, click download chart as PDF. That should be enabled, and there's like a font family. You can change the font family here. And of course, you can upload logo or background image as well. But let's say if you don't have that font or is something missing, if if you cannot find the font that is aligned with your brand, again, the best way is to go to my reading reports, create new one page, and upload your own font. To upload new font, you have to go open that report. This is just a demo, and go to upload, and then click the upload button, and you can upload the font. And this is how we're gonna use it.
Okay. Next question is about custom properties. So what is custom properties? What is it used for?
Okay, custom properties is a tool that allows you to expand your human design language. For instance, we provide, as an example, we provide 6 environments by default. So using the custom properties, you can design 12 environments. So the good news is that you don't have to build them. Like, no, this is how the custom properties is built. As an example, like I just give you some idea. Okay, as an example, gate 1, and then maybe you can put some meaning here. This kind of maybe can be complicated for the first time. But like I said, the good news is that we have marketplace, and if you want to expand your human design language and properties, there's a custom properties category, and then you can see what we have. We have all the types, strategies, not self-team, variables, authority, everything is there. You just go click on this one and just install, and the custom property will appear on your reports and your language.
Okay, so it's a related question. How can I incorporate custom properties into my reading reports on my chart? I like these custom properties to be displayed in the chart result generated on my website.
So once you're installing that through the marketplace, once you install the custom property, any of them, or you're creating your own, automatically it will appear in your HD content, and automatically will be displayed in your chart results page. Same in the reports. Let's say if you're creating like 12 environments and you want to write something about them, these all properties will appear, and you can find them by clicking that visible for all, that little star, and then you can find all these 12 environments, or as an example here, active and passive environment. This is the custom property, and this is going to be automatically appear when you're selecting, and now you can write some report or some page about active and passive environment.
Okay. Next question is about reports. Are there any pre-made human design reports that I could use temporarily until I have my own?
Yes, we're offering, so as again, all the content, pre-made templates, you will find on Marketplace. So you will see some, as an example, in terms to answer your question in terms of the reports, you can use, at the moment, currents report. There's a currents report, you can install them and use it. And we provide more in the future. But we strongly encourage you to write your own report later on. As an example, if you're starting the business, once again, of course, you're embedding your chart, you're connecting newsletter, and yes, you can use some pre-made templates just to generate leads, okay, to get some attraction and build some customer base. But in the future, we encourage you to use your own tone of voice for your audience, so the people can understand, like, maybe better your language and what you wanted to say. And second one, yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I don't want to go into detail.
Yeah, and that kind of answers as well another question that says, I'm not really good with the technology, and I don't know how to use reading reports. It's hard to use. So how can I get help?
Yes. So for the first time, and if you go in the reading reports, it's very difficult. I mean, it's not really difficult, but it's going to be challenging. And just to share with you, we are aware maybe some experiences kind of challenging in the very small screens. So we're working on that one and improving that experience. But the best way to do, let's say, okay, use the templates. We have plenty of templates. You just click one template, add new page, another template, changing, add the page, and like this. And as well, in the marketplace, you have options. You can go to pick and find your report template. Let me just give me a second. I just click on this one. We have 66 report templates. Thank you so much, Silvana. Very hard work. So this is all plenty of templates in different page format. Before installing that template, please make sure that you're happy with the page format. And all these templates will appear inside your report tool, or you can just start using some pre-made reports, and some of them reports will be editable, and you go inside that report and just changing your content, and that's it. So summarize the answer is, if it's very difficult, try to use page templates, and second one, try to use pre-made report template and just change your content.
Okay. And is there an easier way to change the colors without having to click on each element, such as little stars individually? And is there a way to save the color without trying to match the color later on and remembering it?
Okay, in terms of the colors, today we published the update. So as an example, if I'm gonna let's say I'm gonna put some text, I will put some elements, and so let's say there are three multiple elements. I can select as a group. I click on the color, and I click this purple color. So you can now color in the groups. As well, as an example, sorry, what's more question? Oh, to save colors, there's the brand colors. You can again click edit and add your own color codes. Let's say from your brand colors, and you can use them. So just very quick, something random, and then let's say, okay, this goes like this. A second, how to call it this one, Alge?
You need to save. Click save.
Sorry. Yes. Brand colors. Click save. Yeah, it's saved now. Okay, so this is green gonna be, this is purple, and this is blue. And now, so you can use your own brand colors, or you can color in the group. And once, yeah, that's it.
Okay, and there's a related question to the colors. Could there also be another option for the planetary gates, for the planets? Currently, the color of the planets does not match my chart design.
Okay, so an embed code, when you're using the chart, it can be different in terms of this color, because inside the report, you have to build your own chart. Okay, so this means, let's say you have designed your chart, you're picking your, let's say, okay, let's say put something Christmas chart, and then on the website, your gates and planets is completely different color, and how to change this one. So you click on the colors, and then let's say you're selecting.
On the page colors, click plus sign if you want to add own color.
Yeah. Oh yes. So if you want to add new color, thank you. I just click that plus sign. So I click now as an example that black text and the icons. I want to change to blue. Wait, sorry, give me a second. This is Christmas. I need to do something Christmassy. I'm gonna make white. So I selected stroke. Select a stroke, then I click fill, and I'm gonna make some green. And then this one I'm gonna make red. I'm not sure if it makes sense. Then I click stroke. Oh, okay, this is, give me a second, I do something.
Okay, so fill changes the background color and the stroke changes the text color.
Yeah, of course, yes. And so let's say these page colors, what means the page colors? The page colors is selects all the possible color variations what is in this page. Okay, so this means you see these red ones center. So this means if I change this one, it's going to be blue. Okay, so this is again just to be aware. If when I click new one, I just select this one, I click new one, and then put the red, stroke, white. Okay, so just to let you know that. Yeah, so you just play around, but this should work. That's it.
Okay, next question. I want to sell reports to companies, hospitals, or schools. My plan is to create a dedicated page for each customer, allowing them to generate set number of reports each month after paying a fixed fee. How can I achieve this?
Okay, so the question is like, I believe it's about subscription, some kind of maybe fixed fee that people can log in and have some specific page for specific audience reports. So I write that answer in this question that please get in touch with us, because we need to understand that customer journey, and we can help you to achieve that journey, but you need to understand more details. This is very, it's not like, easy to do using, yeah, you just need to do some custom development.
Okay. And going back to the reports, is there a way to fix or freeze the image, the background image, so that it won't move, when I'm trying to edit other elements?
Okay, so yes, again, we fixed, updated by today. So this is the page. I click on the image, and this is the image. So I click on the right mouse click, set image background, and it's going to be image background. If you click right mouse click again, detach image from background, and now we can again move. Once again, set image, and it's automatically stretches on that page.
Okay. And it also would be great to be able to add active links or buttons to the report. How can I do it?
So if you're writing a report with some text, let's put some templates for the content. So you have to highlight the text, click right mouse click, add the link, and just enter the link. Okay.
Okay.
So now it's going to be highlighted in blue, which just means there's a link. What you can do else, you can just highlight again that one and put the underline or maybe bold. So yeah.
Okay. I think you already answered the next question. It says, can you fix the color editing tool on reading reports? Because when you change the color of one element of the text, then it changes the next text that you highlighted to the same color.
Yes, we fixed this one, and now we're introducing colors palette in the sidebar so we can have more things there. We fixed this one.
Okay, and then is another question about reports. Can I upload PDF? Can I import PDF to the reading reports tool and then change and assign who can see which page?
No, we don't have this option now to upload and import PDF, but you can convert to some JPEG or PNG and then upload through this here, and then we can you can use as a background, but we don't support PDF at the moment.
Okay, and I would like to be able to generate a report about specific gates. How can I achieve this?
So if I understand the question correctly, so if you want to talk about specific gates, you go again, click on the little star, and there's a gates. So we can have as an example, if you want to talk about conscious planets, sun gates, you're selecting conscious planets on gate 1. Or if you want to talk about unconscious planet, some specific planets, again, you go here. Or if you want to talk about just gate numbers, you just click the gates. And then, of course, you have to create this all multiple pages for each gate. You write in the content. And then if I'm generating my own chart, and if I have gate number 14, I will see that page.
Okay. And now it's about the payment method. So how do I set up payments in different currencies for customers from various locations?
The best way to do, you have to use WooCommerce. We have WooCommerce plugin. You have to install that WooCommerce, and then install some WordPress plugin with I think it's multi-currencies is calling or something. I cannot remember. Or you can use that my HD business website because it's built around WooCommerce, and then install that some WordPress plugin that supports multiple currencies. And anybody who's come from different countries or different locations, automatically this will be converted to their own local currency. So to answer this question, you have to use some additional plugins, and only for the WordPress at the moment we have solution.
Okay. And another question is related to apps. How many details or what data from the customers' charts I can collect and send to the app like a Notion or Airtable? Can I collect the data about people's, let's say, defined, undefined centers, type, gates, planets?
So if using that native integrated apps in Bodygraph Chart, Airtable, and Notion, so you're not able to collect defined and undefined centers and gates and planets. So you're not able if using the native, but you can do that. You can connect Notion or Airtable through the webhook. This means you have to use made.com or Zapier, and then using the webhook, because we have a webhook. and webhook is this one. So using webhook, using make.com and Zapier, yes, then you're able to do that.
Okay. And is there a way to generate a report that would show the planetary locations of each defined gate in the HD chart?
Is the way generate report that will show the planetary locations? No, not at the moment.
Okay. Next question about generate chart tool. I am using generate chart tool and I'm sharing the chart with customers. How do I customize URL? I'd like to add to URL my brand domain instead of the default Bodygraph Chart domain. Can I edit it?
So in generate chart tool, if you want to share that, say you specific customer chart. So yeah, this is the share function. So and this is the URL, and there's of course Bodygraph Chart domain. So at the moment, it's not possible to change the domain and to customize. Answer is not possible.
Okay. And you have a YouTube channel and a lot of video tutorials there. All the videos are found very fast and it's not possible for me to keep up and understand what is shown and what is demonstrated there.
Yes, that's why. Yes, we are aware of this one, and this is my fault because I started recording maybe when we just start recording them, and I haven't paid more attention. But now Victoria joined and helped me with these videos, and now we are writing almost YouTube channel those videos with Victoria, and she is guiding step by step, very slow, you know. So all that YouTube channel, almost all YouTube channel is updated with new videos.
Okay.
And if you find anything, that doesn't help you talking about this, please let us know so we're gonna update that video.
And also please send us email or ping me on a live chat if you have an idea on the video tutorial that you want to be uploaded on the YouTube channel so we can prepare that video as well for you. Next question is, do you offer tiers of the membership? I do not believe I need all the features and tools that you offer.
Yeah, we have these questions. People asking, say, look, I'm gonna use maybe just on that feature or this feature, and to find different payment plans. So we don't have any payment plans at the moment. We have just only like one product, which is we're gonna split monthly or yearly, and we always focusing just deliver more value and continue to deliver more value. But at the moment we don't have to do this one. We don't have that option.
Okay. And I like Bodygraph Chart. I like the features, but I'm not technical and don't have time to set up everything. Can I hire anybody from your team to help me?
So we just updated our website, and we was thinking as a team together that we starting offering that services as well. Let's say if you need something to develop and design custom journey, or something, if you are busy and you don't have time, please get in touch with us, and we can have like a meeting one-on-one, and we can we can agree something, but we can help you, but definitely we can help you.
Okay. And the next question is, how do I support people who want to know more about aligning with their business?
Yeah, this is the question I haven't.
So I think the question is about how to prepare the reports and the all information for the people in the business, if I do understand the question correctly.
Okay, how do I support people who want to know more about online business? So we have business language, and we can improve the business language in the future. So I'm going to try to answer in this way. So again, if you go to my HD content and you're gonna see business edition here, or if you didn't see business edition here, go to marketplace, choose a language, my content, and this should be like business and career as well. I hope I answered the question.
Okay. I have created a human design chart, and the chart results are different comparing with other chart providers. Why is that?
Yes, we have received this as well questions. So the main reason of this is about time zones, and if you check design date and comparing things with other charts, you will see some difference. So we are using the latest time zone database, and you always make sure that we are using the up to date. So and our is the latest things, and we even have received official letters from other chart providers that they agree with our time zone. So this is, just keep in mind, this is not only like simple time zone. There's calling historical time zone as well, where something is happening in particular time, particular location, and there's some particular maybe political decision has been made. In terms of how's it called in English, saving daytime or saver. So to move the hour summertime or winter. So and we have all the data we have, and that's why our actual chart is more accurate.
Daylight saving. Thank you guys for letting us know. It's
Yes,
called daylight
yes.
savings. Yeah. Is it yet possible to pull relationship charts and associated elements into the reading reports? Can I add relationship
Okay.
charts in the reading reports? Yeah.
Yeah. No. So yes. We thinking, of course we're gonna make this one, but at the moment we don't have any reports for relationship charts.
Can I create reports without embedding chart into my website?
So let's say if you wanna have some reports and you don't wanna display them on the website, the best way is to go to generate chart, because it is on your platform, your own platform. You can generate some charts, and you can create that traditional human design or relationship chart, and automatically will be appears the reports based on the chart here below. Whatever reports you have created, of course, and then you can download for each person. So you don't have to have website to download for personalized reports for the client.
Okay. And can we have special promo codes to invite people?
So
As I
to invite
understand
people.
correctly, to invite people to use Bodygraph Chart?
So I think so, yeah. So I'm trying to, so how I understand. So if you are using affiliate program, if you want to do some promo or campaign, just get in touch with us. So then we can discuss what we can offer to you.
So what discount do you have running at this time of the for the new users? Do you have any discount?
At the moment, we don't have any discounts for the new users, so officially in our campaign. But what we're doing, so I highly recommend, if you're new, subscribe the newsletter, and if you're a customer already, you're gonna receive newsletter. So we're gonna everything like provide all this information if you have some offers on the newsletter.
Okay, next question is related. So I had 50% discount for past year and it's about to come to the end. Can I continue my discount to the new year?
I mean, this code has been generated unique code for some particular reason. I mean, I think if you have this 50%, and this, I believe this was for 12 months. So this is cannot be like, transfer to the next year. But of course, if you have more questions, please get in touch with Victoria.
Okay.
Support bodygraphchart.com.
And the next question is about adding live reading products. Would be amazing. I expect there is an app or plugin I can add so users can schedule the reading time with me. Is there an option?
Okay. Yeah, so this is the question is about to have, I guess, I have ability to schedule reading sessions one-on-one, like a
Yeah.
booking me something. So we don't have this one, but we have discussions. I mean, not like very detailed discussions. So we are aware that there's no demand on this one. So maybe next year we're gonna maybe think about something, but at the moment we don't have in our pipeline. Our pipeline, just to be clear, is finish what you plan to deliver beginning of January. So 1st of January, we're gonna start new pipeline.
Okay. And what about creating better presentation of relationship chart? The better submission form.
Yes. So once now, if you're embedding on your website and you enable the relationship chart, it doesn't look maybe nice. I mean, it looks maybe messy and squeezy. So we are aware of this one, and this is in our pipeline to deliver this year new embed code experience, which is going to include the better single chart and the relationship chart. And this is going to look something very, very similar to this view. You're going to have a chart here. You're going to have some thumbnails for the Lisa Simpson, Mickey Mouse, and then combined ones. So it's going to be on your website, it's going to look very similar experience. So we have this in pipeline.
Okay, and I saw that there is a transit composite, astro charts, and a generate chart tool coming. And when is going to be ready?
Okay, so yes, we have. Okay, so we have now. So we have plans on transit and composite and gene keys. We have. So I just want to. So I don't want anything promise. We're working on it. Thank you to Silvana as well. So we have nice gene keys chart, very nice. We have, and but to do that, we need to update chart design because to make sure that it's scalable for all different charts, and my HD content as well we have to update interface, so to make sure that we can apply for all different charts, like some meanings. So once it's done, which is we in progress, in very good shape to be honest, then we're gonna start publish the charts. The first, Algi, could you help me? The first chart should be, I think, composite. What next chart should be to publish?
No, we have a working version of Genie Keys, but we don't have content tool for it yet. So Genie Keys will be next.
Okay, Genie Key is going to be next. Okay.
Okay, so we have a chat related questions. So first about mandala, can we put the mandala chat on the reports?
No, not yet.
Yeah,
Not
and
yet.
maybe
So
we should explain that generate chart tool, everything that we will release in future. So everything will be tested here. Every chart feature, every new design, everything will be tested first term here, and after that we will move every feature to integrate and report tools. But this is first tool to see all our new feature regarding content is generate chart.
Okay,
yeah, so I'm gonna just repeat what Algi said.
Yeah,
Sorry?
so I just wanted to summarize as well. So basically, that we offering new charts first at the generate chart. The next stage will be to release those charts at the integrate chart, where you will be able to embed the same charts at your website. And the last stage will be to offer the same charts at the reports tool, but obviously that will take time, right? Am I correct?
That's correct. That's correct. That's correct.
And Cynthia is asking question on the chat. Is it possible for you to share what other features are in the pipeline for this year?
Yes. That's gonna be very top secret. Let me just see if I have something here. Maybe I just can maybe just say, so I think I remember. So, and Savannah and Algi, please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm gonna maybe just do the sharing. We have in our pipeline gene keys. So we have on our pipeline to complete all the charts in generate chart, Algi, that's correct? But not Astro chart. Astro chart is not included.
Yeah, this is correct.
So we have composite, transit, and gene keys. We have in generate chart plus the integrate chart. This means you will be able to embed on your website mandala, gene keys, new relationship, transit, and composite. That's correct, Alge?
Yes.
My heart is beating now. So, but this is gonna be before 1st Jan, yeah, before 1st January. So this is our pipeline. So this is our pipeline, mainly to update all the charts, update new design tool. This means you'll be able to design your mandala, you'll be able to design your gene keys. It's very beautiful gene keys, actually. We'll be able to update your content from gene keys, and for content, yeah, that's it. And for relationship content as well.
Okay. No, you're welcome, Cynthia. So she says, thank you for the top secret information.